Hey, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to our team, Touchstone Team Elevation. You're watching this. This is kind of an orientation, onboarding video that we're going to tell you a little bit about what you need to know to get started. But first, I just want to tell you that we want to welcome you to our team. We've got an amazing group of people, and we're just glad that you chose our company, you chose this team, and we're excited that you're here. Now, some of you may be here as a customer. Some of you may be here as someone who just wants to use the products and share the products with some of the people you might know. And some of you might be here to create some additional income on a part-time basis that doesn't interfere with what you're currently doing, whether you're looking to earn an extra $500 a month or $500 a week. Either way, we want to welcome you, and we want you to know that whatever you choose to do, whatever category you fall in, we appreciate you. So let's get started. I want to talk about a couple of things. I want to share with you just some things for you to take a look at as you get started. To do what you need to know to get started in your business. First of all, you want to pull up your website and you want to verify what's called your website URL. This one you're particularly looking at here is safe.thegoodinside.com. I recommend, and the word safe, as you can see here, that is what you chose, whatever word you chose right there. I don't recommend using your name, and I recommend that the shorter this can be, the better, because it's easier to remember and easier for people to search and easier for people to find. So make sure that it is what you chose and what you want it to be. Number two, this is your store name. You want to make sure that your store name is what it says. Now, this says the store of Lindsay Jackson, United States. It can have your name. It can have your business name. You don't have to have that there at all. And all of that can be adjusted, and we'll talk about that more. But if you do have that there, make sure that it says what you want it to say. Here is where these are our country drop downs. We get a lot of people who say, what countries do you ship to? Well, if you see that little drop down arrow right beside where it says United States, that's where I am, Carolina Beach, and you click on that little drop down, it brings up all the countries that we currently ship to, and this changes as we add countries. We will add them to this list, and as you can see, United States is checked. So when somebody joins your team or somebody wants to enroll, it'll ask them what country they're in, and they can choose that as well. But that's where you find all the countries that we currently ship to. This is your join now and save button. When somebody wants to join your team as a member, as a VBO, we call them Visionary Business Owner, this is where they would click. And I'm recording this on October the 28th, and we have free membership through the end of the year, this year 2020. So a lot of people want to take advantage of that. They save $19.95 and they get free membership for the entire year. Membership, kind of like getting a membership to Costco or Sam's Club, where you get to buy at wholesale every month. Now, if someone wants to just shop, then they would click on the shop button and not the join now and save button. That's the customer. So they can do it either way. They can check join now and save. And if they click the shop button, once they get through the shopping process, it will give them an opportunity to become a VBO, Visionary Business Owner, we call it, or some people call it just a member. Now, this button here that the arrow is pointing to is where you click on that to get a drop down, and that's where you will log in to your back office, we call it, your office. This is where you keep up with your business. You can click on that and you can log in to see your reports and resources, or you can click on that, and as you can see, you can just shop and track your orders. But that's where you would go to log into your back office. It'll ask you what your username is, the one you set up when you enrolled, and what your password is. And you should have that whether you're a customer or a VBO. Once you click on that, it carries you to what we call your dashboard. This is kind of just a snapshot of your business. And it'll say welcome. It should have your name over here, and as you can see, the arrow points to the dashboard. You want to make sure that this is right, and this is your page and your information. And then from there, if you see here on the right where it says rank and volume, this kind of gives you an overview of what's going on, the pulse. I might say of your business, what your rank is. This is kind of the snapshot, the quick version, okay? So here it's going to say what your next rank advancement is. That's your target rank, what you're shooting for. When you're brand new, your goal is to reach manager. That's the first level of rank advancement. Next is regional manager, then national manager. And once you reach manager, that'll change. And it'll say, hey, your goal is to reach manager. And here it tells you what your PV or personal volume is. Have you placed an order? This particular says 0, so you know that if you're looking to earn commissions, you don't have an order placed for this month. And the months run calendar month, so you don't have an order placed. And it says here that that is 0% completed. If you place an order, it would show that. And in order to be qualified each month to earn weekly commission and monthly commission, you need a minimum of 100 PV personal volume. Get with your upline or customer support, and you can find out what the intricacies of that are. But if you had placed an order for 50 PV, it would say 50% completed. Now, this category shows you what's required to be an active VBO. It's 100 PV, and you've got 100 PV volume, personal volume, it's CV and PV remaining in order to qualify for that. This is how much targeted rank for your next rank, how much volume you have, team volume. Team volume, or it'll say OV. OV is your entire organizational volume. And then the next category is what percentage you are completed to your next position, the next position that you're looking for. So that's just a snapshot of your dashboard. You can see that's the first category up here at the top of your back office. The next column is called My Account. Okay, My Account. And it is basically exactly what you would think it would be. It's My Account. You know, what is that there? You know, what are you looking for? It's, you know, My Account tells you that, you know, you're looking at anything that applies to your name, your address, your shipping address, your mailing address, your tax ID, all the information about your account is under My Account link. The next line under that drop-down box, we're still under My Account, is the auto ship subscription. If you've signed up for an auto ship, that's where you would find that. The next one is commission payment account. This is very important. One of the first things you want to do is go in there and tell the company, hey, this is where you send my commissions each week and my commissions each month and my bonuses. So make sure you go in there and enter the information under commission payment so you can get paid. We want you to get paid. Next is email communication preferences. You know, if you when you originally signed up, you said, yep, you can send me emails. And if you want to change that or modify that, that's where you would go to do that. The next is your billing information, the billing information on your credit card or debit card or however you're working that. And then the next is the gift card program. We're not going to go into all the details on all of these right now. But the gift card program, you want to totally understand the gift card program. I mean, that's you very well may have used a $50 gift card when you enrolled or when you placed your order. So make sure you get in and understand the guidelines and how that program works. Now, the next category is you know, My Team. So right now, if you're brand new, you don't have a team. But as soon as you enroll someone, as soon as you bring on a customer, as soon as you bring on another VBO, you start building a team. And so you'll see the overview, you'll see how many VBOs you have, how many affiliates, how many customers, the enrollment tree, sponsor tree, downline, upline, all of that information that you want to know about your team is under this category. The next one is your volumes and earnings. This is where the money is. This is what you want to know, what kind of volume you have each month. What your weekly commissions are, monthly, and then your commission payout, where we pay out each week, and that'll post, you can see that when it comes up. Now, this is your shop button. You know, it'll tell you if you want to place an order in your back office, you can simply go there and click on shop. If you want to see your order history, if you placed an order yesterday or 2 days ago or 4 days ago, and you want to see where it is, or you placed an order last month and you want to see what you ordered, you can go there. If you go to order history, it'll bring up current and past orders and any tracking numbers that you need. Now, Here's the report section. This is kind of where you get all the reports to kind of keep up with what's going on in your team. Ranks, who's qualifying for ranks, who rank advanced this month, who are the top enrollers on your team, who is close to rank advancing. This is a good category here, who's close to rank advancing, and what's left for them to qualify for that rank advancement. Star ranks achieved for people on your team, and then star rank advancement, what is needed for people to reach the next star rank category. Now, the next one is a great information resources category. This is where you can find product resources, business resources, training information, logos and artwork. People ask me all the time, where can I find the logo that I can use with some of the stuff I'm putting out there? Right there it is. And if you're in Asia or in Japan or in the Europe, then some of these things are different, and you can look at those right there. Now, the next thing I want to tell you is, so you're going over some pretty good stuff, and I've got questions. Well, here's the deal. Customer support is your best friend. I always say customer support is your best friend. Your second best friend is Google, and because you can always Google questions about different ingredients and things like that and information online. But if you've got questions, you should contact customer support, unless they're a team building question or a team or a direct sales question about your particular team and what you should be doing and training. That's different. Then you're going to want to plug into the team information. But when it comes to shopping, it comes to the back office, it comes to ordering, it comes to I'm trying to get somebody enrolled, commission questions, website, social media links, Verb app, our phone app, gift card program, blogs, back office, all this stuff, policies and procedures. You contact customer support. They're amazing. We have one of the best customer support team that I've ever worked with, and you should contact them through email. Send them an email to support@touchstoneessentials.com. The second way to communicate with them is wherever you are whether you're on your website or whether you're in your back office, in the bottom right-hand corner, as you can see here, there is a little chat button. So you reach over there and you click on chat, and you can chat live with the people in customer support and find out what you want to know. Now, if it's an emergency, and rarely do you find emergencies here in this business and in this industry, which is one of the things we love about it, calling them directly. Here's the phone numbers. If you're in the U.S. or Canada, 919-900-4300. There's the Great Britain number. There's the Europe number. You reach out and call them. And so, customer support can answer 99% of your questions. Now, if you're looking at building a business, take action today. Building fast is much easier than building slow, because a lot of people get stuck with what we call paralysis by analysis. They think they've got to know all the ingredients that are in each of the products and understand how they work, and they've got to study the compensation plan and go down all 16 pages and understand and remember. You don't need to understand all that. You really don't. Don't get caught up in saying, well, I'm getting ready to get ready. Paralysis by analysis prevents success more often than anything else in our business. Okay? So the next thing, be coachable. Be coachable. Become a student, especially if you've never been in the industry before. And if you have been in the industry, connect with upline leaders. We've got a team page on Facebook. We've got a team page on YouTube. We do daily lives at 11 on our team page. We've got amazing information on YouTube. We've got plenty of places for resources. But listen, when you first get started, you want to plug in to your upline leaders and be coachable. Be coachable. If you want to create a certain level of income, then you want to find somebody who's achieved that and listen to them. And be persistent. Be persistent. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Persistence is when you stand tall between a rock and a hard place. Because you're going to run into some trials. You're going to run into some tribulations. You're going to run into some difficulties. We all do. We all do. And it's okay. It's okay. And you want to, again, like I said, get plugged in, stay plugged in, and surround yourself with like-minded people. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Like-minded people, the people on the team. Get involved in the team page. Plug into all that. Know what's going on. Know what the events are. Know when the trainings are. Know where to, everything you want to find out is either through customer support or on our team page, Team Elevation on the Facebook page. Lots of great information there. And then your upline leaders. I appreciate you plugging in. There's lots of other trainings out there that we can work with you on, but this is going to get you started. You say this is pretty simple. It is. You don't need to know too much more besides and then when you learn to start saying, hey, I want to share this with people too. I want to find out if people are interested in earning some additional income or being healthier or improving their health. Thanks for plugging in. Again, my name is Alan Newell. You can find me every day, well, almost every day on the Live at 11, and you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all those other wonderful places. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope to be able to meet you in person one day very soon. Have a great week.